Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a website icon or favicon to your website in Google Sites. First, I will use the help of ChatGPT to make my favicon image. I've just finished making this website logo, so I will ask it, please make me a favicon. While ChatGPT works on generating or creating my favicon image, you can also create a favicon using this website called favicon.io. Click on generator, and here you can generate a favicon from text. Since my website is NYC Pizza, I will call it, for example, NYC or just pizza, for example. واخا
ريحتها واثنين تسعين
92 صح
نجون
تاخدي 4 8 حسبيها. Since my website is called NYC Pizza, I will go with, for example, with the letter P, and for the pizza, I will go with colors. I will go with font. I will go with this color, and for the font, I will go with green and orange. Where is the green? Let's revert them. I think this one is good. Click on download. The file is downloaded to my computer in a compressed file. Click on it to decompress it. And now I can go back to Google Sites, sites.google.com. Click on the website you want to add your website favicon for. Now go to this settings icon and go to brand images. Scroll down to favicon, and below it click on upload. This is my downloaded favicon. Double click it and it will be uploaded here. Close this window. Don't forget to hit this publish button 2 times, and let's view my published site. And as you see, my website started using this new favicon. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video, an audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo Email Marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger Website Builder, and Hostinger Email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. And let's view my published site. And as you see, my website started using this new favicon. Let's ask ChatGPT to make us a very simple favicon that will looks good when it is very small in the web browser. Okay, ChatGPT didn't deliver me what I wanted, but it is not important for a tutorial. Let's delete the current one and upload your new photo. It's the same thing. I think I still need to edit this. My bad. Copy this photo here, crop it like that. Remove this white background and export it as a PNG in order to be transparent. Let's adjust its size to not be 250 is enough. Save. Now go back here, settings, brand image, upload. This is the optimized one. Upload, publish again. Now let's view my published site. And this is my new favicon. This is the first one and this is the second one. And this is how to add a favicon or website icon in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.